Are you dreaming of earning passive income online? Imagine waking up to commission notifications, all while you sleep. Affiliate marketing offers an incredible opportunity to achieve financial freedom and design your ideal lifestyle. Whether you're a complete beginner or have dabbled in online business before, this comprehensive guide will equip you with the knowledge and tools to make $3,000 per month or more through affiliate marketing. This step-by-step roadmap will demystify affiliate marketing, empowering you to transform your passion into a profitable online venture. We'll explore proven strategies, valuable resources, and practical tips to set you up for success in the exciting world of affiliate marketing. Get ready to unlock your earning potential and embark on a rewarding journey towards financial independence. This could be you. With dedication and the right strategies, affiliate marketing can provide the freedom and flexibility to work from anywhere in the world. Let's dive in and explore how you can make your affiliate marketing dreams a reality. Affiliate marketing might seem complicated at first, but it's actually a simple concept. It's a way to earn money online by promoting products or services offered by other companies. You don't need to create your own products or handle customer service. Instead, you focus on marketing and driving traffic to the company's website. In essence, you partner with businesses and promote their products or services to your audience. This partnership is mutually beneficial. The business gains more customers, and you earn a commission for each sale made through your efforts. It's a win-win situation. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. This link is a special URL provided by the affiliate program, which tracks the sales back to you. The commission rate can vary depending on the product and the affiliate program, but it typically ranges from 5% to 50% of the sale price. Think of it as being rewarded for recommending products you love. Here's how it works. First, you need to understand your audience and what they are interested in. This will help you choose the right products to promote. 1. You choose a niche and join an affiliate program. A niche is a specific area of interest or expertise. By focusing on a niche, you can target a specific audience and become an authority in that area. This could be anything from travel to technology, beauty products to online courses. The key is to choose a niche that you are passionate about and that has a demand in the market. 2. You create valuable content that promotes your chosen products or services. This content should provide useful information and help your audience make informed decisions. The more valuable your content, the more likely your audience will trust your recommendations. This could be blog posts, YouTube videos, social media updates, email newsletters, or any other form of online content. The goal is to reach your audience through multiple channels and engage them with your content. 3. You include your unique affiliate link in your content. This link is what tracks the sales back to you, so it's important to place it strategically within your content. Make sure it's easy for your audience to find and click on. And 4. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The process is seamless for the customer, and you get rewarded for your marketing efforts. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its simplicity and potential for passive income. You can earn money while you sleep, as your content continues to drive traffic and sales even when you're not actively working. Once you've created your content and established your online presence, you can continue earning commissions from your efforts for months or even years to come. This makes affiliate marketing a great way to build a sustainable online business and achieve financial freedom. Choosing the right niche is crucial for affiliate marketing success. Your niche is essentially your area of focus, and it determines the products or services you'll promote. Here are some key factors to consider when selecting your niche. Passion. What are you genuinely interested in? Choose a niche you're passionate about, as this will make creating content more enjoyable and sustainable in the long run. Market demand. Is there an audience for your chosen niche? Research keywords, analyze competitor websites, and explore social media trends to gauge the level of interest in your niche. Competition. While some competition is healthy, avoid overly saturated niches where it's difficult to stand out. Look for niches with moderate competition but high earning potential. The ideal niche aligns with your interests, has a sizable target audience, and offers opportunities for growth and profitability. Take your time, research thoroughly, and choose a niche you can see yourself working with long term. Partnering for success. Navigating affiliate programs. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to find affiliate programs that align with your chosen market. This step is crucial because the right affiliate program can significantly impact your success. Affiliate programs connect you with businesses offering affiliate partnerships, allowing you to promote their products or services and earn commissions. These partnerships are mutually beneficial, as they help businesses expand their reach while providing you with a steady income stream. Here are some popular affiliate networks to get you started. Each of these networks has its own unique features and benefits, so it's worth exploring them to find the best fit for your needs. Amazon Associates, one of the largest and most diverse affiliate networks, offering millions of products to promote. With its vast selection, you can find products that perfectly match your niche, making it easier to attract and convert your audience. Then there's ShareASale, a reputable network featuring a wide range of merchants across various niches. ShareASale is known for its user-friendly interface and reliable payment system, making it a favorite among many affiliates. CJ Affiliate is another well-established network known for its robust tracking and reporting tools. These tools can provide you with valuable insights into your performance, helping you optimize your strategies and maximize your earnings. And finally, ClickBank, a popular platform for digital products, particularly in the make money online and self-help niches. ClickBank's extensive library of digital products offers high commission rates, making it an attractive option for many affiliates. When choosing affiliate programs, consider the following criteria. These factors will help you determine which programs are most likely to be profitable and sustainable for your business. Commission rates. How much will you earn per sale? Higher commission rates can significantly boost your income, but it's also important to consider the product's price and demand. Cookie duration. How long does the tracking cookie last? This is crucial because a longer cookie duration increases the likelihood of earning a commission, even if the customer doesn't purchase immediately. A longer cookie duration means you can still earn a commission even if the customer doesn't purchase immediately. This can be particularly beneficial for high-ticket items that require more consideration before purchase, and of course, product quality. Do you believe in the products or services you're promoting? Promoting high-quality products not only builds trust with your audience but also enhances your reputation as a reliable source of recommendations. Promoting high-quality products will build trust with your audience and lead to higher conversion rates. Remember, your reputation is on the line, so choose products that you genuinely believe in and that offer real value to your audience. By doing so, you'll create a loyal following and achieve long-term success in your affiliate marketing journey. Building your online empire websites, YouTube, and social media. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for success in affiliate marketing. Let's explore how you can leverage various platforms to build your online empire. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you need a platform to reach your target audience and promote your affiliate links. These platforms serve as the foundation of your online business, allowing you to connect with potential customers and drive traffic to your offers. Here are some effective platforms to consider. A website or blog provides a central hub to share your content, showcase your expertise, and promote your affiliate links. With a well-designed website, you can establish credibility and trust with your audience. Choose a domain name relevant to your niche and create high-quality content that provides value to your audience. Consistently publishing informative and engaging articles will help you attract and retain visitors, ultimately leading to higher conversion rates. A YouTube channel is another fantastic option. Video content is incredibly engaging and can be a powerful driver of affiliate sales. By creating videos that resonate with your audience, you can build a loyal following and increase your reach. Video content is incredibly engaging and can be a powerful driver of affiliate sales. Create informative and entertaining videos related to your niche and include your affiliate links in the video description. This not only provides value to your viewers but also encourages them to take action. Create informative and entertaining videos related to your niche and include your affiliate links in the video description. Additionally, optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve your search rankings and attract more viewers. And don't forget about social media profiles. Social media platforms are essential for reaching a broader audience and driving traffic to your website or YouTube channel. They offer unique opportunities to engage with your audience in real time. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest offer vast audiences and opportunities to connect with potential customers. Each platform has its own strengths, so it's important to tailor your content to fit the specific audience and format of each one. Build a strong social media presence by sharing valuable content, engaging with your followers, and promoting your affiliate links strategically. Regularly interact with your audience by responding to comments, messages, and participating in relevant conversations. It's important to choose platforms where your target audience hangs out. Conduct research to understand where your potential customers spend their time online, and focus your efforts on those platforms to maximize your reach and impact. Consider your niche and the type of content you enjoy creating when making your selection. By aligning your platform choices with your interests and expertise, you'll be more motivated to consistently produce high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Remember, building an online empire takes time and effort, but with the right strategies and dedication, you can achieve remarkable success in affiliate marketing. Content is king. Crafting engaging and valuable content. Content is the heart of affiliate marketing. To attract visitors, engage your audience, and drive conversions, you need to create high-quality content that provides value and resonates with your target market. Here are some content creation tips. Solve problems by identifying your audience's pain points and creating content that offers solutions. Provide valuable information by sharing your expertise, insights, and experiences related to your niche. Be engaging and entertaining. Use storytelling, humor, and visuals to capture your audience's attention. And optimize for search engines by using relevant keywords in your content to improve your search engine rankings and attract organic traffic. Remember, your goal is to create content that educates, entertains, or inspires your audience. By providing value and building trust, you'll increase the likelihood of your audience clicking your affiliate links and making purchases.